Hello children, welcome to the Kids World. Today we'll be learning about shapes. Yes, shapes are almost everywhere and in everything. Let's learn about them. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. What is its color? It is green in color. It has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. So triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Next shape is circle. Circle. Okay. What is this color of the circle? Yellow. Let's see. Round and round and round. So circle has no corner and no side because it is round. Yes. Next shape. Which shape is this? This is diamond. What is its color? Orange. Yes. So let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So diamond has 4 corners, sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond has 4 sides as well. Let's keep it back. Next. Which shape is this? This is a square. Yes. What is its color? Red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see, children? Square has 4 sides. 4 corners, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Let's keep it back. Next. Which shape is this? Triangle. Yes. What is its color? Blue. So, triangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Let's put it back. Next and the last shape. Trapezoid. This is a trapezoid. What is its color? It is black in color. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, trapezoid has 4 corners and 4 sides. So, today we learned about 6 shapes. Triangle, circle, diamond, square, rectangle and trapezoid. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos and do comments about these shapes. Thank you.